Hi, I'm down in the Marina today on behalf of MotorScrubber to show you a faster, safer and more efficient way of cleaning your boat. If you're lucky enough to own a beautiful boat like this, you don't want to be spending hours of your leisure time cleaning it, because believe me, if you're using the traditional methods, that is hard work. To start with, the amount of equipment you need to clean a boat the current way is enormous. Deck brushes, buckets, hoses, and quite a few chemicals. Not only does this create a trip hazard on the pontoon and the boat, but you've got to find space to store all this stuff. Dunking the brushes into the bucket results in a lot of wasted chemical solution. Lots of cleaning equipment can be awkward to work with. It's extremely difficult to clean the side of your boat, not to mention dangerous, because you can't apply pressure or scrub effectively, so the end result is often disappointing. Wasted solution often ends up in the sea. If you multiply that waste by hundreds of boats in this marina, it will have a negative effect on the environment. Manual scrubbing can be extremely hard work, creating pressure and strain on your lower back. It can also be very tiring and time-consuming. Isn't it about time that we brought boat cleaning into the 21st century with the MotorScrubber? Everything that you need to quickly and easily clean your boat is in this MotorScrubber boat cleaning kit. You have the MotorScrubber, the backpack, and an assortment of brushes and pads for every cleaning task. The lightweight, comfortable backpack is easy to put on, to secure, to adjust, and on the back, you have a rechargeable battery, a powerful pump, and a 1 litre bottle for your solution. The MotorScrubber consists of a lightweight, robust, powerful scrubbing machine, a telescopic handle, 2 quick connectors for solution spray and brush power, control switches, blue for solution spray and red for brush power. Then select your suitable brush head and simply twist and lock it into place. Its adjustable, sealed head and high-torque, powerful motor makes light work of cleaning your boat. MotorScrubber is also waterproof and perfect for cleaning above and below the waterline. Easy and simple to handle, MotorScrubber does all the hard work for you, allowing you to stand upright, making it easy on your back. The brush head simply moves over the contours and surfaces, cleaning with minimal effort. You also have total control of the solution spray, only spraying as and when you need it, with minimal waste. MotorScrubber easily cleans those more detailed areas and edges. No more bending and back breaking when scrubbing your deck. MotorScrubber effortlessly deep cleans it for you, making your deck look like new. When you're done, neatly pack away, ready for next time. MotorScrubber, an easier, safer, and more efficient way to clean your boat. For more information, go to motorscrubberclean.com.